What's going on YouTube? Desmond here with Flip Finder Network, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to source seasonal products to flip on Amazon. It's going to be using a tool called Keepa. If you do not already have Keepa, it is essential for Amazon selling. I'm going to stick the link in the description and let me show you exactly how I found this product. So I've already got one picked out here, and I'll hop over to my Keepa search and actually show you. This was the, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 10th product on my list. So I'm not super deep into this search. It's actually a little bigger than I wanted it to be. I got almost 600 or 700 results here, but I'm gonna pop out and show you the exact filters I used to find this product, and you can do the exact same thing right now alongside with me. I guarantee you will find profitable products. These are super easy filters to set up. So let me break it down for you right here. I've got sales rank minimum, and I know this is a little bit backwards from what we normally do. A lot of times we're going to put a maximum on that sales rank, but we're not doing this today. We're putting a minimum here, and a lot of you might ask, well, why would you want to put a minimum on your sales rank? You would think, the lower the sales rank, the better the product is selling. Why would you want to put a cap on that minimum? The main reason is because I have noticed over time a lot of the products that consistently stay under 5,000 are just private label products, or they're brand direct, or they're wholesale, and I tend to find better arbitrage results by doing that. So that's why I do it. Second thing we're going to do here is a 30-day drop percentage of 50. And I know that sounds kind of high, but basically what we're telling Keepa, we want to see products that the sales rank has dropped at least 50% in the last 30 days. And that's really the key to finding these really hot seasonal products. You want to see that rank come screaming down. That lets you know the demand is there for it. So next thing I've got a buy box filter minimum of 20. You're going to have to adjust that depending on what kind of products you're looking for, what categories you're looking at, things like that. I do have Amazon out of stock. I don't want to compete with Amazon. I know there's tons of opportunity in that world, but it's just not my thing. So Amazon out of stock. I do have a category selected. This is grocery and gourmet. The whole thought process here was I was looking for Valentine's candy that's going to be profitable, maybe even some merchant fulfilled opportunities. We've got Valentine's coming up in less than a couple weeks, so that season is full on screaming right now. So a lot of good opportunity, and this one I'm about to show you is probably one of many that you can probably go pick up today and sell it today as well. So it's really important that you take the time to learn how to do this stuff because the opportunity is endless. The last filter I have got on this one is a new offer count of at least 5. Again, trying to weed out those private label and wholesale listings. I want to see listings that have some arbitrage sellers on them. So minimum of 5 there. You see I got 600 and wow, really bad number there. Products. Back to the list. I'm sure the list has shifted a little bit, but 10 products into this list. And honestly, I didn't even look at all of these. I'm just kind of cherry picking here, but we got this fun dip. Got it over here on the Amazon page. And we can scroll down here to Keepa, and I want to show you how you can spot these seasonal products like this. And what we're going to be paying attention to here is this green line. Let me turn off the buy box here. You can see it a little better. So we can see this green line is the rank, and you can see that trend just start screaming down over the last probably month and a half. And that's what we're looking for. We want to see products where that demand is extremely high right now. And if we back this out just a little bit further, we can kind of get a full snapshot here of a full year. So we can see right here in December, obviously Valentine's Day candy not selling that well. It's probably really hard to source during December. But if you look at this rank line, immediately right as we get into January, it just bottoms out. I mean, it gets down to the 3,000s, 1,000, even 1,200 at one point. That product is screaming off the shelf. So you can see Seller Amp here is telling us 300 a month. I would not be surprised if it's much more than that right now. But if we pay attention to this green rank line here, as we get past Valentine's Day right here, February 14th, you can see that rank start coming back up. Even though there's still offers on this, there's still people that are selling this product. The demand is quickly going away here. So that's super important to remember when you're sourcing these seasonal products is you've got to get in and get out before that demand goes away, because that's when price tends to start dropping. And you can see here, bring back that buy box line. So a lot of times on the seasonal stuff, you'll have some really big spikes right before the peak season, and right before, especially if it's a holiday like this, a couple days before, that price is going to scream up. You can see the offer count here come down a lot. That price jumped up really high, and then it kind of stabilizes. It did peak back up here a little bit when some offers kind of fell off, but you can see as that demand goes away over time, the price drops, and that's these few sellers that were unlucky enough to not get rid of their stock before the demand went away, and they're just trying to get rid of it. But super cool to see these Keepa charts like this, super seasonal. Let's see if we can find this product. I'm assuming 23 bucks for two little things of fun dip. I'm almost positive we can find this profitably. Let's see, we got like a couple options here, and looks like Target's got it for 450. Might be out of stock shipping here, I'm not sure. No, so shipping or pickup, again, this is something that you could go pick up today, list it today, and probably sell it today. Really good opportunities here. 449 in a 2-pack. So going to be a little bit tight there on our numbers. Target probably could gift card that down. Let's take a look at Card Bear. I think Target's probably going to be at least 5%. Okay, so look, we can get 10 to 12% here on a discounted gift card, which is going to bring that product right where we want it. So 449 in a 2-pack, taking, let's just call it 10% off. Now we're down to 808, almost 40%, $3. It is good to note on a product like this, probably going to want to merchant fulfill it. We're kind of too late to be sending stuff like this in to FBA because we're almost into the end of the season, but it's probably going to work that way too. So we just come down here and seller amp, flip our merchant fulfilled on. This product is about 1.5 pounds according to seller amp. That sounds a little heavier than I feel like this probably would be, but even if we call it $7-8 shipping, let's call it 750, meet it right there in the middle. Still making almost $4, almost 50% ROI. So I mean, super good stuff. And if you think I'm going to stop there, I'm going to show you something a little bit better than that. So super important when you are sourcing products to look at all of the sources that have this product. So you can see right here on the first page of Google, instantly I'm drawn to this 450. It's green, it's flashing at me, it's cheaper than all the rest of them, and that's what a lot of other Amazon sellers are going to do. But if I come over here to this Walgreens, I can see even though it's 650, it looks like there's something else I can do here. So I'm going to click into that one and just see, make sure you're checking all the sources, because even though they don't look as profitable right off the bat, a lot of times, especially places that do big sales like Walgreens and have coupons, even though it's 650, we're going to get it down a lot, right? So we can see we're getting buy one, get one 50%, which is immediately a 25% discount. And looks like we're going to be able to stack another 20% on top of that. So my guess would be this is probably going to end up being just a little bit cheaper. Let's throw some in the cart and see what we can really get it for here. Heart 20. Okay, yeah, so we're getting 6 units because this is a 2-pack. 6 units for $46.68. So let's do that math here. $46.68 divided by 6. So now we're even cheaper. So we just boosted our profit just by taking an extra 2 minutes to look at some other sources that had this product. So don't skip out on that, because that's your margin, that's your edge. A lot of, especially newer sellers, totally miss that, and you're leaving a lot of money on the table on products like this that are available from multiple different sources. And that's without the gift card too. We could probably gift card this even better, make sure we really maximize everything here. Looks like Walgreens getting 8% from Walgreens. That's going to take care of our sales tax. So, times 0.92 here. Now we're down at 716. I mean, you're making almost $5, and this is merchant fulfilling. You could go buy this today, and I guarantee you will sell them today. Really good rank. Super easy stuff. It is not as hard as you think. I promise. You got to take the time to really research what you're doing. Go through the Keepa filters, look through the products, and make sure that you are checking all of the sources right here. We just saved some money right here just by clicking on this Walgreens one, right? So just a little tip for you today. There's 600 more products in this particular search. Guarantee you, if you took the time to go fill out these filters on your Keepa product finder and go through them all, you'll probably find 10 or 20 at least. So take the time to do it. Now is the season. Merch fulfilled season is not over. A lot of people think that's a Q4 specific thing, but when you're sourcing these seasonal products like this, tons and tons of merchant fulfilled opportunities just like this one. So happy flipping, and if you're not already in the Discord channel, please join the Flip Finder Network Discord channel. It's completely free. There's a lot of really good information getting passed around over there. I've already got a handful of people over there, and I appreciate everybody who has joined so far. I'm starting to put some videos and stuff over there that aren't making it to YouTube, so some exclusive type stuff, talking about things just like this, but even a little more in depth, and some top secret type of stuff that I just can't put on YouTube. So join up. I'll stick the link in the description. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.